Losing belly fat is often a challenging journey, requiring a delicate balance of nutritious eating and regular exercise. It's a common goal for many, but achieving it demands dedication and a strategic approach. If you're looking to trim down your waistline and embrace a healthier lifestyle, we've got you covered. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to a comprehensive 7-day meal plan designed to target stubborn belly fat. Let's embark on this journey together and witness the transformation unfold. Here's a sample 7-day meal plan that focuses on healthy, balanced meals to help you lose belly fat. Day 1. Breakfast. Scrambled eggs with spinach and tomatoes, whole grain toast. Snack. Greek yogurt with berries. Lunch. Grilled chicken salad with mixed greens, cucumbers, bell peppers, and balsamic vinaigrette. Snack. Carrot sticks with hummus. Dinner. Baked salmon with steamed broccoli and quinoa. Day 2. Breakfast. Overnight oats with almond milk, chia seeds, and sliced banana. Snack. Apple slices with peanut butter. Lunch. Turkey and avocado wrap with whole wheat tortilla. Snack. Cottage cheese with pineapple chunks. Dinner. Stir-fried tofu with mixed vegetables and brown rice. Day 3. Breakfast. Smoothie made with spinach, banana, almond milk, and protein powder. Snack. Handful of almonds. Lunch. Quinoa salad with chickpeas, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and lemon tahini dressing. Snack. Celery sticks with almond butter. Dinner. Grilled shrimp skewers with roasted sweet potatoes and asparagus. Day 4. Breakfast. Whole grain pancakes with fresh berries and Greek yogurt. Snack. Orange slices. Lunch. Lentil soup with a side of mixed green salad. Snack. Edamame beans. Dinner. Baked chicken breast with roasted Brussels sprouts and wild rice. Day 5. Breakfast. Veggie omelet with mushrooms, onions, and bell peppers. Snack. Trail mix, nuts, seeds, and dried fruit. Lunch. Quinoa stuffed bell peppers with black beans and corn. Snack. Sliced cucumber with tzatziki sauce. Dinner. Grilled steak with roasted cauliflower and sweet potato wedges. Day 6. Breakfast. Whole grain toast with avocado and sliced tomatoes. Snack. Cottage cheese with sliced peaches. Lunch. Spinach and feta turkey burgers on whole wheat buns. Snack. Bell pepper strips with guacamole. Dinner. Baked cod with lemon and herbs, served with steamed green beans and quinoa. Day 7. Breakfast. Greek yogurt parfait with granola and mixed berries. Snack. Hard-boiled eggs. Lunch. Veggie stir-fry with tofu or chicken, served over brown rice. Snack. Almond milk latte. Dinner. Baked eggplant parmesan with a side of mixed green salad. Remember to drink plenty of water throughout the day and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Additionally, portion control and regular exercise are important factors in losing belly fat. Incorporating this 7-day meal plan into your routine is just the beginning of your journey towards a healthier, more vibrant you. Remember, sustainable change takes time and consistency. Embrace each meal as an opportunity to nourish your body and move closer to your wellness goals. Let's cultivate a harmonious relationship with food, savoring each bite mindfully. Together, we can transform not only our bodies, but also our lives. Here's to a journey filled with wholesome nourishment, inner strength, and radiant well-being amidst the embrace of nature's bounty. Cheers to your vibrant health and the beauty of this transformative adventure.